Let's make a nourishing, beautiful seaweed roll with jasmine rice, veggies and eggs, for which I'm going to take some carrots, stir it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then I took some slices of zucchini. It's a green zucchini. I'm only going to stir it to make it a little softer, and then fry 2 eggs seasoned with some salt and a little bit of white pepper. I'm going to let it cook on one side and then cook it on the other side. Once the egg is fried on both the sides, here comes the fun part, assembling. Yes, I'm going to take a Japanese chatai, which is nothing but a bamboo rolling mat. It helps to shape the rolls evenly and tightly, and it also prevents the seaweed from tearing. So this bamboo mat is very essential when we make this kind of rolls. I have it for many years now. When we spread the rice, we have to ensure that we gently press the rice all over the sheet and not tear the seaweed. So once all the rice is evenly spread and it is a thin layer formed, we will assemble the veggies. I put some carrots, I'm putting some zucchini, and I put some eggs that we fried, and I'm going to put 2 sprigs of cilantro. That is completely optional. You can put any kind of fresh herb if you like basil or something. I'm also putting some fresh mayo. It is a eggless mayo made with olive oil. Now we are ready to roll. We just have to slowly and gently pick the sheet along with the rolling mat and keep pressing it gently till it forms like an even round shape. As we keep moving forward, when we roll, make sure we press it nicely so that the seaweed doesn't get off from the rice. You can see how beautifully it is coming out. I'm going to press it more, and there we are. We are ready with the roll. Once the rolls are ready, we can take a sharp knife and start cutting the roll. You can see how beautiful it is, and I'm also going to garnish it a little bit again with the eggless mayo and some roasted sesame seeds, and I'm putting some sriracha for a dip. You can use chili oil as well because these rolls go very well with the chili oil. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment how do you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Sayonara.